Good morning! Gusto ko lang mag-share ng quick insurance tip today. Alam mo ba na majority ng states sa US ay meron lang $15,000 bodily injury liability requirement para ma-insure yung cars nila? Ito yung total amount na ibabayad sa'yo ng insurance ng other drivers pag na-injure ka sa accident na kasalanan nila. That is nowhere close to being enough pag na-injure ka. So, pwede mong itanong, paano ko poprotektahan yung sarili ko sa ganitong situation? Tawagan mo yung insurance agent mo and ask them na mag-add ng uninsured motorist coverage. Yung coverage na to is a type of auto insurance na poprotektahan ka pag na-involve ka sa accident with a driver na too low ang insurance limits para i-cover yung medical expenses mo and yung damage sa accident. Yung coverage na to ang magbabayad ng difference ng ibabayad ng insurance ng other driver and ng cost of your injuries and damages hanggang sa limits ng policy mo. We highly recommend this coverage para protected ka kahit na maliit lang yung bodily injury limits ng other driver. Sana helpful to. Like, comment, and follow for more insurance tips like this.